Welcome to BNE Product News, supporting specifiers and buyers on the move. All headlines on this audio podcast are linked to construction and building services sector and associated manufacturing and energy-focused product news items currently available on businessnetexplorer.com. First, the latest product news in the electrical segment. Vargo has invested over £200,000 in building an engineering centre located at its UK headquarters in Rugby that is dedicated to designing, pre-assembling, testing and distributing bespoke modular trunking systems for commercial and industrial new builds and upgrades. The centre is a world first for Vargo. The modular trunking is assembled at Vargo's facility in incremental lengths and can be installed by non-qualified personnel. Electricians are only required on site and in far fewer numbers for final wiring and testing, thereby significantly reducing labour costs. Contained within the modular trunking is Vargo's WindStar pluggable connection and cabling system, which, via a system of harmonised plugs and sockets, connects all electrical installations and components with each other, from large fan coil units to individual dado sockets. The connectors are simply plugged together and are keyed to avoid mismating, significantly reducing installation errors. Initial investment on modular trunking is rapidly returned with significantly faster installation times, leading to considerably lower overall project costs. Vargo's ability to deliver a fully integrated plug-and-play system assembled off-site at its production unit allows customers to benefit from shorter lead times and more effective distribution of labour. With less cabling and testing required, fewer staff are required for installation. This reduces the numbers of people required to work at height while improving overall site health and safety. The engineering centre in Rugby comprises a design team, pre-assembly, testing facility and dispatch, manned by some 20 personnel. The modular trunking is assembled at Vargo's facility based on specifications supplied by the customer or designed by Vargo's engineers. The company offers consulting and project planning services to help customers devise the best possible solution for their project. All modular trunking is tested electrically and for material defects using 3 rigs from MK Test Systems. This ensures that every trunking system leaves the facility having been fully tested to specification ready for quick on-site installation. While time is saved during installation, Vargo is keen to avoid delays in delivery or confusion as to what has been dispatched and where it is to be used. Vargo packages the modular trunking safely and securely to ensure it arrives at site ready to use. For schools, hotels or offices where several types of room are repeated in a building, the trunking is packed per floor or per room, ensuring that the installer has the right trunking per room type, delivered in one clearly labelled container. For more information, you can visit vargo.ltd.co.uk. Now for news focused on the mechanical and HVAC sections of the industry. Condair, formerly JS Humidifiers, has developed a new app that accurately determines how much energy could be saved by using induct exhaust air evaporative cooling and a heat recovery system rather than just traditional compressor-driven cooling. Using worldwide weather data from Meteonorm, the MyCoolBlue app calculates how much energy is needed annually to cool a building. Then, taking into account 10 years of historic weather data from over 300 regions worldwide, the app projects how much cooling each month could be delivered using exhaust air evaporative cooling and how much would still need to be delivered using traditional mechanical cooling. Exhaust air evaporative cooling uses an adiabatic humidifier to cool the return air from a room and a heat recovery unit to transfer the cool thermal energy to the incoming fresh air stream. The technique can provide several degrees of cooling from just a few kilowatts of electricity, reducing a building's energy bills and carbon footprint. By assessing how much of a building's cooling can be delivered with exhaust air cooling, an HVAC consultant or AHU designer can accurately calculate the viability of an induct evaporative cooling system and show its return on investment potential. The app gives energy projections for hot or average summer conditions and takes into account a comprehensive set of variables to provide an accurate calculation for any project. These variables include the type and efficiency of the heat recovery unit being employed, the location of the fans and the humidifier configuration inside the AHU, alongside the actual design conditions and operating parameters of the AHU itself. A chart showing the monthly breakdown in kilowatts per hour between mechanical and evaporative cooling is presented, along with the diagram of the system configuration and the temperature course, supply and exhaust chart. Project details and calculations can be saved to the cloud and accessed later. An email option also allows reports with all the project parameters to be emailed in a PDF format for future reference. Condair's My Cool Blue app can be downloaded from the App Store for free and is available for iPad only. Condair Group is the world's leading specialist in humidification and evaporative cooling, with energy-efficient, hygienic and innovative technologies for commercial, industrial and heritage applications. Condair is represented in the UK by Condair plc, which offers system design, manufacture, supply, installation, commissioning, maintenance and spares. Condair plc is the new name for JS Humidifiers following the organisation's rebranding in October 2014. You can find out more by visiting the company's website at www.condair.co.uk.
And finally, our construction segment headlines.
Keeping innovation at the top of its agenda, high-integrity structural fixings manufacturer Ancon will further expand its wide product range with new product launches at the UK's largest event for specifiers in the built environment, EcoBuild 2017. With 4 key product zones, the Ancon stand B135 will feature the innovative Nexus brick face support system for prefabricated soffits, structural thermal brakes for balcony locations, KSN anchors for quicker, safer reinforcement continuity at construction joints, and a comprehensive range of low thermal conductivity wall ties. The Ancon stand gives visitors an excellent opportunity to talk one-on-one with Ancon's experienced technical and sales support team, who will be happy to help with specific project or business requirements. Contact Ancon on 0114 275 5224, or you can email info@ancon.co.uk or visit www.ancon.co.uk.
So there are the latest product news headlines for the construction and building services sector. Full items and support images can be found on businessnetexplorer.com, along with a powerful search facility to access all available product news content from leading and up-and-coming brands. Items include product launches, application stories, case studies and exhibition appearances. Why not follow us on Twitter at BNE Product News? We tweet headlines with links to all items as they are published. You can also join the BusinessNet Explorer Club and receive information regularly by email. www.businessnetexplorer.com, supporting business to business. This audio podcast is powered by businessnetexplorer.com and is a Giant Peach New Media production.